Hello and welcome back. We have seen how to create a zap between Gmail and Google Sheets. But what if I want to extract a few details from a long text email body? Is that possible? Yes, that's possible. And in this video, I will show you how Zapier can quickly parse your emails and get the content you need. Let's get started. For parsing the content from email, we have Email Parser by Zapier. We'll have to do some settings before we use this step. So let's look into the settings first and then we can start using this step. For the settings, we have to go to parser.zapier.com. You can log in using your Zapier account details. Once you log in, you will see Create Mailbox. Click on this. This platform creates a random email ID for you. You can skip waiting. Here you can change the email address. This is just for forwarding the emails that you get on your Gmail or any other email accounts so that Zapier can parse the contents. So let me change this to so this email ID should not be shared with anyone or need not be shared with anyone. So it can be just random texts. So I'll click on Save Address and Template. Now I'll have to forward the emails to this email ID so that the email parser by Zapier can parse the details for me. So let me first send an email to this parser and show you how to train the parser to extract the contents that we want. So I've just sent a sample email. Let's check if that's arrived. So here is the email that I've just sent. Let's look into it. Since I haven't trained the parser yet, let me click on Edit Extra Template. This is the email that I just sent. So I want to extract the name, the place, and the phone number. So it's very simple. You can just highlight the text that you want and give a name to it. For example, I'll say name here. I'll say this is place and this one as phone number. So click on save. Save extra template. Now we have trained the parser to know what field in this text body should be considered as what field. So let's head back to Zapier and see how we can extract these details. Email parser from Zapier can be only used as triggering step. It can't be used as action step because there are no actions available. So let's select Email Parser by Zapier, trigger event, new email. Click on continue. Choose the account. I just have one account. Mailbox. You can choose the mailbox. This is the latest one that we created. Click on continue. Test trigger. Since I've sent one email just a few minutes back, I'll be able to see that here. I'll be able to see that here. As you can see, the output has already come. Name as Ritz, phone number with the phone number that I've entered, place as Hubli. So let me just click on continue. And if I want to send these details to Google Sheets, I can select Google Sheets here. Action event, create spreadsheet row. Continue. Let me choose the account. I just created new Google Sheets for this purpose. Let me add name, place, and phone number as 3 columns. And let's get those details over here. Head back to Zapier, spreadsheet. Since I've just created this new spreadsheet, it will be shown on top. Worksheet, I just have one. Click on continue. And you will see those columns being shown here. To get this output, I just have to click here, go and search for name, and the output will be parser output name. Likewise, for place, I just go here and put it as place, and you will have it as parse output place. Phone number will be parse output phone number. And once I link this, test and review. So now the details should already be sent to Google Sheets. As you can see, the details have already come here. So let's try to send another email with the same format with different details and see if those are extracted properly. So let me head back to Zapier and turn on Zap. Now let me send another email in the same format. So I'll be sending an email from my mobile which reads, I'm just trying out email parser from Zapier. My name is John and I'm from Singapore. My contact number is 9876543321. So let's check if these details are extracted properly. Meanwhile, I can rename this to email parser by Zapier to G-Sheets. It's already come here. As you can see, the name is John, the place is Singapore, and the number is 9876543321. Now the last step is to send emails to the parser email ID that we just created. This step can also be automated using forwarding from Gmail. I hope you enjoyed this session. Have a nice day. Thank you.